use. Click the Go to Gmail button. You will see your new Gmail inbox with a welcome message from Google. You'll also see some icons prompting you to perform various tasks such as adding a photo to your profile, choosing a theme, importing your contacts, and more. Type your first message right away using the compose button or click the various icons and follow instructions to perform in the indicated tasks. Sign out of Gmail. When you have finished using your Gmail account, click the profile icon in the upper right corner. The account pop-up displays. Click the sign out button to log out of your new Gmail account. Now that you know how to create a Gmail account, you can sign into and out of Gmail freely. Start working with it now. Begin by organizing your inbox and send out your first message. Free Email Strategies ebook to help you manage your inbox better. After getting in Gmail, keep in mind that it's important to manage your Gmail inbox professionally to take your new account and discover how to get organized and process your most important email like a pro. Conclusion: Gmail is a powerful email tool that you will want to take advantage of it if you own or work in a small business. There are many advantages to using a Gmail account and getting starting with creating a Gmail account is easy. If you like Gmail, you may also want to know about Google's other tools: Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Calendar, etc., etc., etc. Here are some tutorials that we can help you with. So this article was by Laura Spencer. So thank you, Laura Spencer, for sharing this kind of details. Now we will see how to create a Gmail account. Gmail is an extremely popular email service provided by Google. To create a Gmail account, you actually must sign up for a Gmail account. This account will give you access to the Google Suite. Follow these steps to create a Gmail account. Go to the account creation page. Enter your first and last name. So after going to this Google Create Account page, we are going to enter our first name and the last name. After that, you have to create a password for our Google account. Then we will create a Google strong password of 8 characters with capitalization or non-capitalization, etc., etc. After that, we are going to choose our username which is available. If you prefer to use an existing email address, choose that I prefer use my current email option located below the username field. Be aware that username you choose will be the name of that other. See if you choose to use other Google services like YouTube or Google Docs. After that, you're going to choose the username, enter the password. Type the password and again to confirm it is accurate. Choose a strong password to keep your account protected. It is recommended that you use alternate characters and combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. Enter the month, day, and year of your birthday in the specified field. Choose a gender option. You must make a choice here. You can choose rather not say option if you do not want to identify by your gender. Provide your mobile phone. If your country is not accurate, select the flag left corner field. Choose the country code. Type in your current email address in the field provided, because when you are going to lose your password or forget your password by accidentally, your recovery email is going to help you, or your recovery phone number is going to help you to secure and get back to your email.